Hi kids, today we are going to learn about wild animals name. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Panda, P-A-N-D-A, panda. Gorilla, G-O-R-I-L-L-A, gorilla. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Hippopotamus, H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. Fox, F-O-X, fox. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Yak, Y-A-K, yak. Jaguar, J-A-G-U-A-R, jaguar. Rhinoceros, R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S, rhinoceros. Cheetah, C-H-E-E-T-A-H, cheetah. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, please press the subscribe button and click the like icon.